Good day, ka-Matherific! Samahan niyo ako ulit upang matutunan ang bagong lesson na ating tatalakayin. And our lesson for today is about multiplying mentally with products up to 200. After going through this, you are expected to, number 1, multiply mentally 2-digit by 1 to 2-digit numbers with products up to 200 and explain the strategies used in multiplying mentally 2-digit by 1 to 2-digit numbers with products up to 200. Now, let us review first. Give the product of the following mentally. Number 1 is 6 times 5. Very good, that is 30. Another one, we have 9 times 4. Correct, 36. 8 times 3. Yes, that is right, 24. Next is 7 times 2. Very good, 14. And 20 times 6. That is correct, 120. Now, round each factor to the highest place value, then find the estimated product. Number 1 is 453 times 35. So, 453 becomes 500. Then 35 becomes 40. Then the estimated product is, very good, 20,000. Next one is 347 times 62. 347 becomes, yes, 300, and 62 becomes 60, that is right. So the estimated product is, very good, 18,000. Next, 764 times 53. 764 becomes, yes, 800, and 53 becomes, yes, 50. And the estimated product is, that is correct, 40,000. Another one, we have 833 times 87. 833 becomes 800, and 87 becomes 90. And the estimated product is, yes, 72,000. Very good. And 935 times 46. 935 becomes, that is correct, 900, and 46 becomes, yes, 50. And the estimated product is, very good, 45,000. Now we have a story problem number 1. Aiden and her caretaker can harvest 46 kilograms of lemon in a day. How many kilograms of lemon can they harvest in 4 days? We have solution number 1 using short method. So step number 1, multiply the multiplicand by the ones in the multiplier. So 4 times 6 equals, correct, 24. Then step number 2, multiply the multiplicand by the tens in the multiplier. Multiply 4 by 40. Why 40? Because the value of 4 in 46 is 40. Therefore, 4 times 40 equals 160, correct? Then step number 3, add the partial products mentally. So 24 plus 160 is equals to 184. Therefore, there were 184 kilograms of lemon sold in 4 days. Next, solution number 2, using distributive property. In 4 times 46, first we have multiply 4 times 40. Why 40? Because the value of 4 in 46 is 40. Then multiply 4 times 6 is equals to 4 times 40 is equals to 160 plus 4 times 6 equals 24. Then 160 plus 24 is equals to 184. Therefore, there were 184 kilograms of lemon sold in 4 days. Now we have story problem number 2. Christina sells 15 apples in a day. How many apples does she sell altogether in 12 days? Solution number 1, using short method. Step number 1, multiply the multiplicand by the ones in the multiplier. So 12 times 5 equals 60. Then step number 2, multiply the multiplicand by the tens in the multiplier. So 12 times 10. Why 10? Because the value of 1 in 15 is 10. So 12 times 10 equals 120. Then step number 3, add the partial products mentally. 60 plus 120 is equals to 180. There were 180 apples sold in 12 days. Next, we have solution number 2 using distributive property. Multiply 12 times 5 plus multiply 12 times 10. Why 10? Because the value of 1 in 15 is 10. Then 12 times 5 is equals to 60. Plus 12 times 10 equals 120. Add 60 plus 120 is equals to 180. Therefore, there were 180 kilograms of lemons sold in 4 days. Now, give the product of the following mentally. Number 1 is 45 times 5. Very good, 225. How about 32 times 4? That is right, 128. Next, 62 times 2. Very good, 124. 251 times 3. That is right, 153. 423 times 6. Very good, 2,438. In multiplying mentally with products up to 200, first, multiply the multiplicand by the ones in the multiplier. Next, multiply the multiplicand by the tens in the multiplier. And add the partial products mentally. Now, let us solve the following mentally. Use a method that is easier and faster. So, get your ball pen and notebook and let us answer the following numbers.